Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present perfect. It expresses a relationship between the present and the past, that is, an action that begins in the past and continues in the present. Affirmative sentences. I have done. It is formed have has plus past participle. To form the past participle of regular verbs, they are formed by adding d, ed, id at the end. And for irregular verbs, you should consult their correct form in the past participle. Have or ave is used for the pronouns I, we, you, they, and has or is used for the pronouns he, she, it. Uses. When an action begins in the past and continues in the present. Example: he has had cats since he was a child.
He has had cats since he was a child.
Actions that have been repeated between the past and the present. Example: she has been in Ecuador 3 times.
She has been in Ecuador 3 times.
When an action has been carried out in the very recent past. Example: I have just finished writing a novel.
I have just finished writing a novel.
Structure. Subject plus have has plus past participle plus complement. Examples: he has tied his shoes.
He has tied his shoes.
He has tied his shoes.
They have gone out.
They have gone out.
They have gone out.
I have lost my wallet.
I have lost my wallet.
I have lost my wallet.
She has gone to bed.
She has gone to bed.
She has gone to bed.
I have bought a new laptop.
I have bought a new laptop.
I have bought a new laptop.
I have taken my dog to the vet.
I have taken my dog to the vet.
I have taken my dog to the vet.
You have moved in with your girlfriend.
You have moved in with your girlfriend.
You have moved in with your girlfriend.
I have gone to the party.
I have gone to the party.
I have gone to the party.
The couple has broken up.
The couple has broken up.
The couple has broken up.
Luis has finished his work.
Luis has finished his work.
Luis has finished his work.
They have left.
They have left.
They have left.
I have invited many people to my party.
I have invited many people to my party.
I have invited many people to my party.
She has seen her friend.
She has seen her friend.
She has seen her friend.
He has ridden his bike.
He has ridden his bike.
He has ridden his bike.
They have graduated.
They have graduated.
They have graduated.
She has worked hard.
She has worked hard.
She has worked hard.
You have behaved badly.
You have behaved badly.
You have behaved badly.
I have bought a lot of groceries.
I have bought a lot of groceries.
I have bought a lot of groceries.
You have gone to the mountains.
You have gone to the mountains.
You have gone to the mountains.
He has worked all day.
He has worked all day.
He has worked all day.
She has cooked very well.
She has cooked very well.
She has cooked very well.
There's been an accident.
There's been an accident.
There's been an accident.
The police have arrested a thief.
The police have arrested a thief.
The police have arrested a thief.
She has cut her finger.
She has cut her finger.
She has cut her finger.
He has won an award.
He has won an award.
He has won an award.
He has slept little these days.
He has slept little these days.
He has slept little these days.
They have won the game.
They have won the game.
They have won the game.
He has gone home.
He has gone home.
He has gone home.
She has written many books.
She has written many books.
She has written many books.
I have forgotten your name.
I have forgotten your name.
I have forgotten your name.
She has gone to Europe.
She has gone to Europe.
She has gone to Europe.
They have walked a lot.
They have walked a lot.
They have walked a lot.
She has taken many photos.
She has taken many photos.
She has taken many photos.
You have cut your hair.
You have cut your hair.
You have cut your hair.
She has had her favorite soda.
She has had her favorite soda.
She has had her favorite soda.
She has cried all day.
She has cried all day.
She has cried all day.
He has lived in New York.
He has lived in New York.
He has lived in New York.
She has received flowers.
She has received flowers.
She has received flowers.
Mom has cleaned the house.
Mom has cleaned the house.
Mom has cleaned the house.
I have eaten a cake.
I have eaten a cake.
I have eaten a cake.
He has had a beautiful dog for 2 years.
He has had a beautiful dog for 2 years.
He has had a beautiful dog for 2 years.
She has worn glasses since she was 12.
She has worn glasses since she was 12.
She has worn glasses since she was 12.
She has had a flower hat.
She has had a flower hat.
She has had a flower hat.
He has grown a lot lately.
He has grown a lot lately.
He has grown a lot lately.
My parents have been on holiday.
My parents have been on holiday.
My parents have been on holiday.
She has lost weight.
She has lost weight.
She has lost weight.
They have been at the airport.
They have been at the airport.
They have been at the airport.
I have watered my garden.
I have watered my garden.
I have watered my garden.
My hair has grown.
My hair has grown.
My hair has grown.
I have painted a picture.
I have painted a picture.
I have painted a picture.
Thanks
For watching.